Alrighty, today we're checking out the T4E HDS68 shotgun. CO2 powered double barrel shotgun. This is made by Umarex, and I have 3 different projectiles here. Here are your nylon riot balls in the hole, and here we have some clear paintball filled with 6 grams of copper BBs, and here we have your less than lethal rubber balls. Let's go ahead and take 2 shots of each projectile and see what kind of damage we can do to our friend over there. Alright, so here's our target today. Our good friend. Fresh board, paper board, and right here we got a bunch of goodies, so I don't think it'll get past this bad boy. So here are the different kinds of rounds. These are the nylon balls. I believe they're 3.9 grams each. Here the rubber balls, around the same weight, a little lighter, maybe around the 3 grams. Here's our copper balls. They're clear with the copper BBs. And these are the Grimberg new less than lethal projectiles called Jewel, J-U-L. They're too big for the bore of the shotgun, so those won't work. And same with their shaped projectiles that they make too. So for the projectiles for the HDS68, we're looking at these 3 because they'll fit inside the bore of the shotgun. Alright, so here we go. We'll be about 15 feet away, so 5 yards from the target, and we're sticking in the rubber balls first. Alright, CO2 is in there. We'll charge it up. Oh, doesn't want to charge it. Oh jeez. Let's check this out. Got the CO2 here. Let's see why I'm so weak. Alright. And you gotta really pump this thing. Doesn't want to charge. Alright, I got it charged. This needle's up here, so it's raised now. I have to press pretty hard. I put it on the table to puncture the CO2, so know that. Alrighty, let's take that shot. First shot, rubber ball. Okay, that was left side. Let's go right side. so that was the rubber balls. So got them in the face. Let's see. And I put a pretty good dent on the baking pan. This is an aluminum baking pan, and I don't think it'll penetrate. Alrighty, so now we'll go with the nylon riot balls. 1, 2, ready to go. Left barrel. Right barrel. Alrighty, let's see the damage. So 1 shot, 2 shot. And here are the marks on the aluminum pan. See those dents? Alright, so here's our friend. I won't be shooting the clear balls because I don't know if these are going to open up or what. I don't want to be shooting these in my backyard. I don't want a spread if it were to spread. But these are the rubber rounds and the riot rounds. It looked like the riot rounds did a good amount of damage to both this guy and the aluminum pan. And these are reusable. I don't see too much damage on these balls. Just scuffing. Just wash them down, I guess, and reuse them. These are pretty hefty, and today I won't be using these. Sorry guys, just don't know what these are gonna do. I'll have to find a more open space to shoot these. Yeah, so that's the T4E HDS68 CO2 powered paintball gun. 16 joules. This one's actually 16 joules, so you get more power. You don't want to be shooting regular paintballs with this one. And yeah, again, here's our buddy. Some clean shots back and forth, and goodbye baking pan. Plenty of that. I wish I could shoot these for you guys, but some other time, where I could test this outdoors and whatnot. Yeah, you could even stick some Nerf rival balls in here, squeeze them in, and they will shoot it. You get some pretty good things. I've shot through cardboard actually with those Nerf rival balls with this Umarex T4E. Alright, thanks for watching. Let's get that subscriber count up and the likes. Show some love. Alright, bye.